This YouTube channel makes approx $800 every single day by boring people to sleep. No face cam, no fancy editing, just slow and sleepy stories from history, and over 40,000 people are actually paying to stay asleep. Sounds ridiculous, right? I thought the same thing until I cracked their entire system. They post 2-hour videos every single day, and the audience loves how boring it is. Some even say it works better than sleeping pills. And here's the best part. You can recreate their entire content strategy in under 1 hour using just 2 tools. I'll be using ChatGPT to write the scripts, and CapCut to do everything else. No expensive gear, no complicated editing software, and no wasted time. Just these 2 tools and you're good to go. But wait, it gets even better. I'll also show you how to unlock all the premium features of CapCut Pro for free without using any third-party apps, shady websites, or cracked versions. It's 100% genuine and easy. This isn't just sleep content. It's a passive income machine powered by psychology, low competition, and YouTube's obsession with watch time. While most creators are fighting to hold attention for 2 minutes, these so-called boring channels keep people watching for over 2 hours every single night. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how they're doing it and how you can build your own faceless, cash-generating YouTube channel right now. First, open ChatGPT and then go to the docs file. I've added the link in the comments. From there, copy the first prompt under the video prompt section. Now head back to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. This is the magic prompt that helps generate unique video ideas. You can change the number in the prompt depending on how many ideas you want. I'm going with 5 for this example. Click Generate, and within a minute, ChatGPT will produce several compelling video ideas, each with a short description and a detailed scene breakdown. Return to the docs file again and copy the second prompt. Make sure to copy the entire text till the very end. Back in ChatGPT, paste the second prompt. From the previously generated list of ideas, choose your favorite. For this example, I'm picking the 4th one. Just copy the full text of that idea and replace the placeholder text in the prompt where it says paste your idea here. Click Generate again. Since ChatGPT has a word limit, the full script won't be generated all at once. The prompt is designed to create the script one scene at a time. Once the first scene is generated, it will automatically ask you to type continue to move on. Go ahead and type continue, then hit generate again. Now you'll get scene 2. Repeat the same process. Type continue for scene 3, and again for the final scene. You'll know it's the end when it says something like type continue for the final scene. This method ensures that you get a professionally structured video script, scene by scene, without running into length limitations. It's perfect for historical or cinematic storytelling formats. Once it's done, you might be expecting me to suggest a bunch of tools like Leonardo AI or Piclumen AI for image generation, and then Hailuo AI or Kling AI for turning those into videos. But here's the surprise. I'm going to show you how to create the entire video using just one tool, CapCut. First of all, open CapCut on your PC or laptop. Once it's open, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now look for the option AI Video Maker and tap on it. After it loads, you'll see 4 different AI tools, and yes, they're completely free to use. Tap on the first option, Instant AI Video. On the right-hand side, a panel will appear where you can paste your script. So let's go back to ChatGPT, copy the script of scene 1, and then return to CapCut. Paste that script into the box under the Instant AI Video tab. Now it's time to customize a few key settings. Aspect ratio. Choose 16.9 for long-form videos. Duration. Set it to 10 minutes or whatever fits your content. Voiceover. Select a voice that matches your vibe. I personally prefer the strong British male voice for history-related code. For historical topics, go with styles like neoclassic, prehistoric, or Roman art. I'm choosing prehistoric for this tutorial. Once you've selected everything, click Create to start generating the video. This process might take 10 to 15 minutes, so just chill while CapCut works its magic. Once the video is ready, you'll see a preview. If there's any image you don't like, click on it. Tap Replace. Choose a different visual style. CapCut will generate 4 new image options. Pick your favorite and click Add to Scene. Next, head over to the left-hand panel and click on Elements. Under AI Edit, uncheck all options except Sound FX, then hit Apply. Now, make sure to turn off captions. Since these videos are made to relax viewers or help them sleep, subtitles are not needed. Double-check everything looks good, and when you're ready, hit that Export button. Boom! Your AI-powered historical video is ready to share. Once your first scene is complete and exported, it's time to move on to the next scene. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the script for scene 2, and then reopen CapCut. Just like before, go to Instant instant AI video, paste the new script, adjust your settings, voice, style, ratio, etc., and hit create. Wait for the video to render, and once it's ready, make any small edits or visual replacements if needed, then export it. Repeat the same steps for scene 3 and scene 4, following the exact process. By the end, you'll have all scenes ready as separate videos, fully customized with AI voice, visuals, and style, all created with one single tool. Alright, now that we've created all the scenes individually, it's time to bring them together into one complete video. First, open CapCut, then import all the scenes you just exported, drag them into the timeline, and arrange them in the correct order. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. This sets the foundation for your final video. Now, let's add some smooth transitions. Between every 2 scenes, insert a transition. You can use either the free ones or even the pro transitions, because I'm about to show you how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Once your transitions are placed, click Export, and you'll see CapCut asking you to upgrade to Pro. But hold on, we're not paying for anything. Here's the trick. Go back to the editing screen, select all the clips in your timeline, then right-click and choose Make Compound Clip. Now everything is grouped as a single piece. Next, go to the CapCut home screen. Click on Settings, and under the Draft section, choose a location to save your draft. It's best to create a new folder so you can easily find it later. Once you've done that, head back into your project. Now, right-click on the compound clip in your timeline and select Pre-Process Compound Clip. CapCut will begin processing. Just give it a few seconds. After it's done, open your File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where your CapCut drafts are saved. Look for the folder named after your project. In this case, it might be something like 06225. Open it, then go to Resources and click on Combination. And there it is, your fully rendered video with all pro features included. No watermark, no subscription, no tricks. Now, you can directly upload your video to YouTube right from here. If this helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart content creation tips. Thanks for watching.